Hey guys, what is up? So you guys know I'm always trying to think of different things that I can use on my hands and my nails for like cleaning. So you guys have seen me use this many a times, my Bath and Body Works 60-second manicure sugar hand scrub. So I was thinking, what if people don't have a actual hand scrub? What if they were to use a body scrub? And this is my first Tree Hut cotton candy shea sugar scrub. Look at how pretty it is. It's like sparkly and pink, and it smells amazing. So I wanted to try this for scrubbing my hands and my nails. I just took off I had a set of glue-on nails on my nails, so they look terrible. I just took them off. I just went over my nails with some nail polish remover to get like all the excess glue off and stuff, and they look really bad. So I just want to get my hands nicely scrubbed, clean my nails, and then I'm trying to decide if I might just put like a nail treatment on and polish them, or if I may do some glue-on nails again to cover them up and get them to grow, because they broke off pretty bad. So they're super like down to the nub now. So yeah, I wanted to give this a try and see how well it cleans. So I'm going to use this Tree Hut cotton candy shea sugar scrub, and I'm going to put a little bit of this in my hand just to help kind of smooth it around my hand. It's the Raw Sugar Simply Hand Wash raw coconut and mango. This smells amazing, and I found this at the Dollar Tree. It's regular like $12 and up at like Walmart, Target and stuff like that, Amazon. So yeah, I got this from the Dollar Tree and I've been using it. It works really good. I like this stuff a lot. And then I have my nail brush here that I'm going to put the scrub and the hand soap on. Some more water. Okay, so right now I'm just scrubbing, cleaning, and this feels just like the Bath and Body Works. A little bit more, it's like it has more of the exfoliant stuff in it, like a little more scrubbier. I don't know. But I'm liking it. Okay. So next I'm going to go ahead and take my brush and go in my nails. Wow, I can tell the difference. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm going to use another Bath and Body product, which is an oil by Dr. Teals. It's soothing lavender essential oil with jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and aloe vera. It's paraben free, which is great. It's softening and moisturizing. So hey, I figure I could use this on my hands. So I'm going to put a little bit of this in there. And I'm also going to use a little bit of my cotton candy champagne love Bath and Body Works lotion. I think first I'm going to put a little bit of lotion on first, and then a little bit of oil, because I don't want them too oily since I'm going to probably polish them or something. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Look at that. Shiny. Oh my god, they smell good, you guys. I wish you can smell it. So this was a definite success. Yes, I love it. I just have to go around and clean up these dry spots on the edges of my skin. I always get that. But other than that, I mean, look at the shine. They smell good. They feel good. Nice and clean. It's, for the most part, clean under my nails. A couple spots I see that I may have to like use a tool and go under them. But for the most part, they're clean. They look a lot better than they did in the beginning, that's for sure. And they're shining. So yeah, I love this. This is really, really good. It's great too, like after you shave your legs, putting this on. Oh my gosh, it makes your legs look so good. I got this at Walmart for like a little bit over $4. I really like this nail brush too. This came from, I think, TJ Maxx or Five Below. So yeah, y'all, I used the Tree Hut Cotton Candy Shea Sugar Scrub, and I also got this from Walmart for about $7, $8. And then can't forget the raw sugar Simply hand wash that I picked up at Dollar Tree, which was a great find. And then for my lotion, I just used my Bath & Body Works. You can use anything. I just wanted to match the little cotton candy scent with the sugar scrub. So, oh my gosh, it keeps sliding off of the wet sink. All right, you guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my little experiment. And yeah, hopefully you guys will give that a try and let me know if you do in the comments. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and turn on your notifications. Thank you guys for watching.